What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about different key levels of where it might be okay, it might be a good idea to start taking profits on your Shiba Inu tokens. Real quick, I want to address yesterday's video. I think a lot of people took it as I was spreading FUD and different things like that, which in reality, I wasn't spreading FUD at all. And even throughout the video, I still said that Shiba Inu has tons of more potential. It's just, however, with Shiba Swap, it was supposed to be taking our coins out of circulation to push up the price, and it's just not doing that. I also said that there's a way for it to be fixed and there's a way for it to start taking out of circulation, and I guess people just weren't paying attention enough, but that's what I was saying basically in the entire video, was that yes, the circulating supply has not come down yet, but it can, and we will also continue to see growth just from market cap, because regardless of any burns or circulation being taken down, the more market cap, the more price it will go up. So it's all good. It's just nothing to panic about. And I didn't mean to come off as I was spreading FUD. If that's how you guys took it, I'm sorry, but that's not what the point of that yesterday's video was supposed to be. And some people were upset and saying like, oh yeah, it's not gonna be overnight, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's not necessarily true. It was supposed to be pretty much overnight or quickly, because even if only 5%, because yeah, it's about 5% of the total people have actually invested in the staking system and taking out of circulation. It's less than 10%. So yeah, it's not going to be a huge difference to where we go to 1 penny. However, if you take the circulating supply down 5% of 500 trillion, that's a lot of coins. So if you took it down 5%, it would affect the price. It would positively affect the price. Right now, instead of sitting at around 7, we'd probably be sitting around 12. And when I say 12, I mean 0.0000012. So yeah, it is going to make a difference. It is supposed to make a difference quickly. I'm not saying overnight we're going to be millionaires and going to reach 1 penny. I'm not being stupid. I'm just saying that yes, it is supposed to happen fairly quickly if it's being taken out of supply. Over time, are we going to grow anyways? Absolutely, 100%. So don't think that I'm saying that Shiba Inu is a bad project or I'm giving up on it. I still love Shiba Inu. I just actually bought more last night. I'll throw a screenshot up of that right now. I am buying more on this dip. Don't worry, guys. Like, I definitely am not giving up on Shiba Inu. It's just that this is a hiccup and this was a mistake on their part, and I wanted to call them out about it. Now, that was a little spiel, but let's actually get on to the content and start looking at the charts and see where it might be a good idea to start taking profits, because we are going to be going up very soon, and I do believe that. So let's hop right over to the computer right now. Okay, guys, so over here on the computer, you can see I've had this same box drawn for quite a bit now, and it's like I've said before, I don't know the future, and I'm not going to tell you guys how to invest or anything, but I tend to be pretty accurate when it comes to my estimations and my analysis. So as you can see right here, we have hit the bottom of this box once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and now an 8th time we have hit the bottom of this box, which means that this is a very strong support level, and I am expecting this to ride up to about 8 before we start to see some real resistance. So if we can get up to around 8, that would be absolutely awesome. So from 8, then our next major resistance point would be around 10 or so, if not around 10.5 or something like that. But we're right in the 10 area, 10 region. And yeah, so right now it's looking pretty good. And so as far as my swing traders and my people who are just trying to make a little bit of money here, he will be some free game for you guys. And if you're trying to make some money, you can buy at the bottom of these boxes. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but this is what I would personally do if I was swing trading. You can buy at the bottom of these boxes right here, and then ride it up to the mid layer, take some profit, and then take some more profit up in the 10 region, or like 9.5 if you want to be safe. And that potential profit would look something like this. So if we take a look here, and let's just say you don't time it absolutely perfectly, a little bit above there to the mid layer, we're looking at a 16% profit, which is pretty good. Like off $1,000, that's what, 160 bucks. So that's pretty good. And then all the way up to the top, we're looking at 40%. So 40% of $1,000 is around $400. So it's looking pretty good just for a little swing like that. And that shouldn't take too long, maybe over the course of a week or so, or maybe 2 weeks. But if you had more money, you would make even more. So if you guys are interested in stuff like that and learning how to trade and make money that way, quick little plug of my own Discord and my own little Patreon and my own course that's coming out. So I will be dropping a course this week that will basically teach you how to analyze charts exactly how I just did, so that you can make your own charts, do your own charting, and know how to trade even if you've never done investing ever before. And this will help you in the stock market, cryptocurrency, Forex if you choose. But my main 2 things that I'm focusing on personally is stocks and cryptocurrency. Not a big fan of foreign exchange personally. But yes, if you guys are interested in having a one-on-one with me where I can teach you these skills like what I'm just showing you right now, And if you're interested in the course will be dropping at the end of this week. So maybe go in the Discord link and go ahead and join the public Discord. If you guys want access to the private Discord, join the Patreon. Check out that link in the description. And if you guys just want some more insider stuff from my perspective, or just get to talk to me for a little bit, because you guys also get a 1-hour session when you subscribe to my Patreon. If you guys want to do that, check that out in the description below. But yeah, I can teach you guys how to analyze charts like this and make some money. But anyhow, let's move forward out of this box, because this is like kind of like a short term where you would be buying at the bottom, selling at the mid layer and the top layer, which is exactly where I bought last night. I bought literally right down here up in the just under 7, I believe. I can show you guys on my screenshot, but anyhow, looking really good. I bought at literally the perfect time, and now we are starting to see hopefully an uptrend from here. We've reached our bottom support level. Generally speaking, every time we hit these bottom levels, we tend to go up, unless we do a little bit of a fake out here and then actually reach our bottom level. But we did spike down to our bottom level, so we never know. It could either reverse here, or we could see it come down a little bit and then go up again. Hopefully we just see a reverse here. I don't want to see too much more downtrend, but we can also see that we've been consolidating for quite a long time. Therefore, I think that it's time. Over here, you can see we shot down quite quickly, but so the momentum was still going downwards. However, we've been going down for quite a while, and I think it's running out of gas. So I'm thinking we're gonna start going up very, very soon. Anyhow, also, let's look past this a little bit. And I have addressed these key levels in other videos before, but what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to remark my old support levels and resistance levels that I think we should be watching out for. And if you want to take profit or just hold it long-term, holding long-term is a great idea with something like this, with a project like this, because Shiba Inu is just gonna grow over time and you're gonna make a lot of money. But right here, our first resistance level, once we break out of this box, is gonna be around 12, because we can see that it hit there once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. We have seen it hit this level, which means that previous resistance levels is probably going to repeat itself again. Doesn't always have to, but it can. Another area is probably gonna be around here at around 17. So I'm thinking that if we don't, and maybe even here at 15, maybe let's bring it down to around 16. So somewhere in this region, I think this will be our next box right here, if we do not just explode straight up. Because if we get past 12, 16, and then the last one before we really start to take off, I think will be around 2. So if we see, let me back up just a little bit more. If we start to see, if we start to see a breakout of even that support or resistance level, the next one that we're not seeing anything else until around the 4s. So that's when we'll start to take off. And then that potential profit is around 400%, I believe, or 500%. So we're looking at 5-6x our money. It'd be absolutely amazing. But I'm thinking this is where I'm gonna be taking my profits. If I decide to take some, would be at the top of this box at 10. And then if it comes down, I'll buy a little bit more, but I'll just take out a little bit of profit here, a little bit of profit here, a little bit of profit here, a little bit of profit here. And as it comes back down, because it will reject off of some of these lines one way or another. So as it starts to pull back, I will be adding more. So the money that I took out right here, I'm gonna be buying back in right here, and then just watching the price go up and up and up and up and up. So just be careful, guys. Study your charts and know where you want to take out, because this could be really good for us. And that's pretty much it for today's video. I don't really want to ramble on too long. Like I said, yesterday's video was not about spreading FUD, and hopefully you guys understand that today, because I am not saying that there's anything wrong with Shiba Inu, or that it's a bust, or it was a scam, or they gave us the runaround or anything like that. I still think it's a great project. I'm still doing lots of stuff with it. I just started digging last night, which I got a video coming out about that. So if you guys are interested in digging and stuff like that, check that out tomorrow, because that's gonna be the next video. And if you haven't turned on post notifications, make sure you turn that on so you don't miss that upload, or any upload for that matter. And if you haven't joined the family, make sure you subscribe. I don't know what you're doing, but if you learned something today and you enjoyed the content, smash that like button for me. It really helps me out on the YouTube algorithm. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I hope you did, and I hope you join the family. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.